Have you ever wondered how to create those sleek modern snack bars in your Jetpack Compose? As well, wonder no more. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will delve into the world of SnackBar, exploring its features and learning how to implement it seamlessly into your Android projects. Get ready to elevate your app's UI to new heights with SnackBar's delightful animations and informative messages. SnackBar is a versatile component that lets you display brief messages at the bottom of the screen, keeping users informed without disrupting their flow. It's perfect for providing feedback on actions, notifying users about events, or even offering an undo option for accidental deletion. Before we dive into the code, I just want to remind you that please give it a big old thumbs up. It will help other developers find this awesome tutorial and elevate their apps to the next level. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the growing community of Android developers who are learning and creating amazing things with Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. Alright, let's get started with this. So for implementing the snack bar, let's first create a composable function and I'm gonna name it as snack bar example. And inside this, first we need to create a snack bar host state. Why we need to create this snack bar host state? First let's create it and then I will tell you why we need this. Okay, so we need this snack bar host state? If you open this source code of this class, then you will get to see that show snack bar function. So for this function to call, you need to create this snack bar host state object. This function is a suspend function, so we also need an coroutine scope to call this function. So let's create the coroutine scope remember coroutinescope. And now let's create the scaffold layout. Let me put the content, just copy the content here. Forget about this content thing, you can put anything you want. Now snackbar scaffold basically has this parameters: modifier, top bar, bottom bar, snackbar host, floating action button, everything. So this snackbar host will get we need to provide the snackbar host here. So snackbar host, and inside this host we need to provide a composable, which is in our case snackbar host is a composable which has a parameter to take host state, and you can also do modifier and snackbar composable you can provide. So let's first create this snackbar and provide the host state which we created, snackbar host state. Now this is the snackbar host. Now we need to call the snackbar host function to show snackbar. For that purpose I'm gonna create a floating action button. Let's create this extended floating action button, provide the text here. So just text is show snack bar, then icon, and I'm gonna implement the image vector icons dot default field dot add content description. I'm gonna just blank, if this as blank. Now on click of this floating action button, I'm gonna simply scope dot launch and snackbar host state dot show snackbar. Inside this snackbar you need to provide the message to show message, provide the message as show snackbar. No, let me just subscribe, like and share. And now if I run this, let me run this. So it is installing now. This is the content and this is the snack bar floating action button. And if I click on this, you can see this is the snack bar: subscribe, like and share. So yeah, that's it. Now let me show you the other type of snack bar with action button. Okay, so for that purpose just need to hold this result, and in this result we just need this snackbar host state dot show snackbar and provide the message here, message. And after the message I'm gonna provide the action label. Action label by default is null, undo. So you can provide action buttons like undo or remove or something like that. Okay, and with the dismiss action. So with dismiss action by default it is false. This dismiss action basically the cross icon which you get at the on the snack bar, so to dismiss the snack bar basically. So I'm gonna make it true. And duration, for how much time you want the snack bar to be on the screen. Okay, it by default it is snack bar duration dot short for short period time, but in this case we want it to be indefinite. And after this result we just need to check if result snackbar host result dot action performed or snackbar host dismissed. So these are the things these are the two items which can be called, which are the result of this basically snackbar host. So action performed means if user clicks on the action button. Dismiss means if user clicks on the dismiss icon. So these are the two things, and you can perform any action whatever you want or as per your need. Let me run this and show you how it's gonna look like. So now if I click on this, you can see subscribe, like, share, undo and cross button. So if I click on the undo, then dismiss, and it will come into this. And if I click on this cross icon, then it will come in onto this block. So yeah, that's it for this. And there you have it, folks. You have now mastered the art of snackbar in Jetpack Compose, ready to sprinkle those delightful notifications throughout your Android apps. Remember, snackbar is not just about displaying messages, it's about engaging users, providing feedback, and adding a touch of personality to your app's interactions. So go forth and snackbar your way to Android development greatness. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on Jetpack Compose Material 3 Snackbar. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to follow me on social media for more awesome Android development tutorials. Link to all my social media handles is in the description below. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and I will see you in the next